Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your race car driving experience business. Manually handling all the bookings and sharing safety protocols can take up a lot of your time. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will book slots and share safety protocols all automatically through WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for race car driving experience. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. Welcome to Velocity Drive Experiences. Ready to hit the track? Choose an option below. And it has provided us 3 options. I am going to select the first one that says book driving slot. And our chatbot responds with book a driving slot. Let's log in your race day. Please reply with preferred date. So here I'm going to send my preferred date like this. And our chatbot responds with thank you for the booking. We will confirm your slot and send a viewer shortly. So I'm going to select the second option that says safety guidelines. And it responds me with your safety is our priority. Before you drive, please review this given link. Highlights mandatory safety gear, briefing attendance required, zero tolerance for reckless behavior. Lastly, I'm going to select the option of packages and pricing. And it responds me with choose your thrill level. Sprint drive 3 laps 4,999. Endurance run 7 laps rupees 8,999. Pro session 10 laps plus video rupees 12,999. View packaging details, and here it has provided us with clickable link of the package. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for race car driving experience. To create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and to do that we have to open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Race Car Driving Experience. On the screen you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, you get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with our basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. So here I'm going to send a welcome message. So here I've added this message. I'm going to add little star signs which will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable and professional as well. So now our message will look like this. Welcome to Velocity Drive Experiences. Ready to hit the track? Choose an option below. And here with the help of this add button option, I'm going to provide some quick reply options such as book a driving slot as well as safety guidelines, and lastly I'm going to add an option of pricings and packages. Here I have also added little emojis to make it look more presentable. Once we are done with our first message, we will create responses for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with booking a driving slot. And for this, I'm going to access the action type notes and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Here I'm going to take details of the user. Here I've added this message and it will look like this. Here we have an option to select contact custom field, and to select it you need to create it first. If you want to know how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Here I'm going to select contact custom field as time, and as format I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Next, I'm going to create a response for this quick reply option with the help of this text button. And here I'm going to send a confirmation message. So here I've sent this confirmation message. It will look like this. Once we are done with our first response, we will create a response for the second option that says safety guidelines. And for this, I'm going to access the text button option. Here I've added safety guidelines which will look like this. Next, I'm going to curate a response for packages and pricings, and for this I'm going to access the text button again. Here I've added all the details and our message will look like this to the user. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for race car driving experience. We have created this chatbot easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you're done creating your flow, you can save it from here. And once your flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.